Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 shaving kits for men available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best shaving kits for men. The fifth product on our list is the Philips Norelco OneBlade. Every man with a beard or stubble needs a grooming tool like the Philips Norelco OneBlade shaving kit. It trims down, edges up, and shaves off any length of hair with ease. The integrated OneBlade shaving technology uses a cutter that moves fast at 200 times per second to shave longer hairs comfortably and efficiently. There's also a dual protection system that ensures the blade doesn't go too close to your skin to prevent accidental injuries and keep your skin comfortable all through the process. For a precise stubble length, choose from the 3 included stubble combs: 0.3 inch for a tight trim, 0.11 inch for stubble, or 0.19 inch for a long stubble. Use the dual-sided blade to shave in either direction to easily get the perfect edge and line up your style. The OneBlade design follows your face's contours, thus enabling you to effectively trim and shave all areas of your face without leaving the odd hair out. Once you've used the blade for about 4 months, shaving fully twice per week, ensure to replace it to get the best shaving experience. Whether you decide to shave in the shower, with foam, or dry, this tool will work effectively to give you excellent results. This shaving kit for men works with a rechargeable battery that lasts for about 45 minutes and charges for 8 hours. Lastly, this product comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty. Its pros are: this blade can be quickly replaced, the kit is water-resistant, and it is compact enough for traveling. However, it does take a while to charge compared to its usage duration. The Philips Norelco OneBlade is perfect for men with facial hair who want a more comfortable shaving and trimming experience. Up next in 4th place is the Remington F5-5800. The Remington F5-5800 is one of the best premium quality shaving kits you can find on the market today. It trims and shaves both long and short hair to give a clean look. This product features an intercept shaving technology that pre-trims longer hair and 2 flexible foils for a closer shave using a 3-stage cutting system. It also features a pivot and flex technology that makes the shaver head adjustable so that it can shave very close to your skin to deliver smooth results. There is also the pop trimmer that provides precise finishing touches for your beard and sideburns. The corded and cordless options of this tool make it convenient and flexible to use. Once the rechargeable battery is fully charged, you can use the shaver cordlessly for 60 minutes with ease. You even get a 5-minute quick charge function that allows for a single shave. Additionally, you can view the charging status or battery level on the LED battery gauge. Once you've finished using this tool, hold it under a faucet of running water, and in no time, it will be clean enough for storage. Finally, this product comes with a 2-year warranty. Its pros are: it is lightweight, compact, and has an ergonomic design. You can use it with or without the cord. And it has a pop-up trimmer for light grooming and touch-ups. However, its cons are: it is a dry-only shaving tool, and it is pretty loud when in use. The Remington F5-5800 is ideal for anyone who wants a budget-friendly shaving kit with close trimming functions. Still haven't found a shaving kit for men that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Panasonic Arc5. The Panasonic Arc5 electric shaver and trimmer operates with 5 nanotech blades and a flexible pivoting head to give you a clean, precise, and close shave. It features an active shaving sensor that detects different beard densities and automatically adjusts its cutting power for exceptional comfort while delivering a smooth and even result. The 30-degree nanotech blades and ultra-thin arc foil work together to give you a quick, close, and comfortable shave by following the natural contour of your face. Also, the multi-flex pivoting head effortlessly follows the outline of your face, chin, neck, and jaw for the best shaving results. This electric shaver has a high-performance motor with a linear drive that delivers about 14,000 cuts per minute, eliminating the tugging and pulling experience you may encounter while using low-quality electric razors and maintaining its full speed till the battery runs out. Since this is a dry and wet shaver, you can use it in and out of the shower with foam, cream, gel, or soap. Once you finish using it, hold it under a tap or faucet with running warm water to rinse away hair stubble and residue. This electric shaver for men is excellent for travel because it is rechargeable, operates on universal voltage, and comes with a travel safety lock and travel pouch. Note that the blades are hypoallergenic and so are great for men with sensitive skin. Also, the battery status is clearly shown on the LCD indicator, so you can avoid running out halfway through a trim. This sleek complete kit will make a perfect present for your male friends, colleagues, and family members as well. Its pros are: it is rechargeable, portable, and travel-friendly. It has a high-performance motor with a linear drive. And it has an advanced shave sensor with adjustable power. However, its cons are: it has a short running time, and it can be a bit aggressive on the skin when used without shaving cream. The Panasonic Arc5 is perfect for anyone in need of a convenient electric shaver for travel purposes. The second product on our list is the Philips Norelco S9000. The Philips Norelco S9000 electric shaver is equipped with nanotech precision blades that have extra strong and sharp edges to slice every facial hair with the highest precision, delivering a clean and close shave. The 3 shaving heads have skin comfort rings with a protective coating that enables the shaver to glide smoothly over your skin without causing any injuries. These heads move in 8 different directions, following the natural contour of your face to shave off the hairs evenly in all areas, including your neck and jawline. This electric shaver is equipped with a beard adapt sensor that checks hair density within 15 seconds and automatically adjusts the shaver to your hair for the best results. This makes it perfect for all beard types. For a cleaner look, use the skin-friendly precision trimmer to trim your mustache and sideburns. You can conveniently use this electric shaver dry or use it under the shower with shaving cream, gel, or foam. After use, open the shaving head and rinse under a tap or faucet of running water to get all the hair and residue out. The portability of this electric shaver makes it ideal for travel purposes. Also, the included travel case protects the shaver and its accessories and makes for convenient storage. This shaving kit for men comes with a wireless charger that works with most cell phones and other devices and a standard charging cord for connecting the shaver to a power source. Its pros are: it gives you a clean and precise shave. It has an LCD screen to display battery status. And it has wired and wireless charging options. However, it lacks any kind of cleaning or maintenance station. The Philips Norelco S9000 electric shaver is perfect for men who want a comfortable, quick shave without skin irritation. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top shaving kit for men is the Braun Series 9. Enjoy the comfort of a gentle shave with the Braun Series 9 electric shaver. This tool combines 4 cutting elements and 1 skin guard for an effective and seamless trimming and shaving experience. It shaves close to the skin and yet does not compromise its effectiveness or cause injuries whatsoever. Its titanium-coated dual trimmers with adaptive shaving motor capture even the densest hair with each stroke it makes. There's also the intelligent sonic technology that delivers 10,000 micro-vibrations while gliding smoothly over your skin. The head is flexible and moves in 10 different directions to capture every hair, even in areas that are hard to reach. This electric shaver supports both dry and wet use and has a battery with 20% more capacity than that of its predecessors. So you can now shave cordlessly for about 60 minutes and rinse the shaver with water when you finish, or use the hygienic clean and charge station to remove the shave stubble, clean and disinfect the shaver. This station also lubricates the shaver to enhance its durability while at the same time charging it. Finally, the high-quality display on the electric shaver counts down the remaining working time to alert you of its battery status. Its pros are: it is waterproof for up to 5 meters. It has durable, high-precision blades. And it comes with a clean and charge station. However, it does feel quite bulky in the hand. The Braun Series 9 electric shaver is perfect for men looking for a comprehensive kit that provides high shaving performance with maximum skin comfort. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.